Good morning, how's it going? We got our first thunderstorm of the year. That's...
I don't know that it is the first, actually.
Ooh. We got our second thunderstorm of the year. Shut down. Gotta make a quick stop to pick stuff up for people who need things. That was so intriguing, right? I'm a little late to go visit Kayla because we were hacking on dryer lint or something. I picked this shirt out of my dresser and it must have had something, because something went in my mouth and into my throat, and my throat was like, and it was real nasty. So I spent like, I don't know, 10 minutes coughing and gagging and blowing my nose and trying not to throw up and such. But we left with enough time to still make it before her lunch break. I was just gonna get a little work done before I got there, so now I won't. And this traffic take any longer. There we go. Thank you. Sometimes for dinner, you just need a little bit of popcorn. Here we go, Kayla. Let's go take some childs to a play area place thing. Yeah. Oh, we should grab a snack.
Steven forgot the snack. What are we gonna do?
We're gonna sit here and drink this mostly water, a little bit of milk, cinnamon sweet drop, tea, and molasses drink. Yes, that was a lot of weirdness, but this is real life, guys. This is just the kind of thing that I do. Drink weird things, eat popcorn as a snack, yep, I just did that. And I'm not gonna vlog myself because it's just too complicated right now.
There he is. Okay, time to go, bye.
Sometimes you just need more milk and cereal in your life. And we feel that disease need right now. Not very often, no, because I ate it too fast. I need to get back to doing that. I don't like doing that. Still haven't found a raisin though?
I ate one.
Oh. You promised me a raisin.
I know, I can't find it anymore.
Can't find a raisin. Ain't Raisin Bran? It was time lapsing, and all of a sudden Kayla's like, "Is there a camera outside?" I'm like, "Yep." That rain is coming down. Hopefully you're not too terribly wet. You were still on when I ran out there and got you, so. Whew, that'll be an interesting transition. I think he fell over at some point, so I don't know if you saw anything at all. Well, we were having power outage problems, brownoutness, and my computer draws a lot of watts, so it shut down mid-edit. I was just hitting the save button, and I think that just drew too much power, and well, I lost all of it. Not the computer, just that vlog. So I have to redo that entire vlog, which is okay, I guess. I mean, we're back to short vlogs, so that's nice. But it's not nice that I have to do the entire thing over again. Either way, gonna go to sleep, wake up tomorrow, do the same thing I just did. Oh no, I've got a board meeting tomorrow. I should prepare for that.